Hey, third grade. We have been talking a lot this week about things that we can do and cannot do, things that we are really good at, and we've started to talk about setting some goals for this school year. So your activity today in Seesaw is going to be to select one goal specifically for third grade that you would like to accomplish by the end of the year with some help from your classmates and myself. These goals can be related to your academics. So you might say, I want to be able to read longer or more smoothly. You might have a goal set for your handwriting to write neater. And you might have a goal for your school year, since this year is a bit different, to get onto Zoom every morning or to complete all of your Seesaw activities to earn your Class Dojo points. Whichever you choose is completely up to you. So when you log into Seesaw, you will see 821, my third grade goal. You'll click on this link to listen to the directions in my example. Press Add. Click on the tools to help complete both sentences. Press the mic to read both of your completed sentences out loud. And then press the green check to post when you are finished. So here is what all of that looks like. You'll find your activity. And then when you come onto here, you will see my goal for third grade is. So you'll use this text tool. So you might say my goal for third grade is to attend all of the Zoom sessions in the morning and complete all Seesaw activities in the afternoon. So maybe your goal is just to be able to log in for our live teaching and to complete all of your activities on Seesaw afterwards, which is an excellent goal. So you would put that into here. And then you will go ahead and answer the second question. The second question says, I want this to be my goal for the year because. So for me, I'm going to write, I want this to be my goal for the year because it is extremely important. Let me stretch this box out so you can see what I'm writing. It is extremely important for me to see my students each day, to know that they are doing okay, and so that I can teach them online, because this online is a bit different. So I'm going to go ahead and take this and move it just a little bit further down. I would like for this one to be pink. And I'd like for this one to also be pink. So I'm going to answer mine in pink today. Please make sure that you answer both of the questions, and then you press the microphone to read yours out loud. So I would say my goal for third grade is to attend all of the Zoom sessions in the morning and complete all Seesaw activities in the afternoon. I want this to be my goal for the year because it is extremely important for me to see my students each day, to know that they are doing okay, and so that I can teach them online. So now that I am finished, I'm going to head on over to my green check to submit. And then I'll see my completed assignment in my journal. Boys and girls, I didn't realize how close I was leaning to the screen, so I apologize about that when my face was up here earlier. But please let me know if you have any questions or concerns about this activity, and have fun.